So back in the late 1990s, I worked for a company. I'd moved down south in 1995, and I worked for a company, a pharmaceutical company, and they were actually having problems getting their equipment out the door on time to meet the customer demands. And at that point in time, I was looking at improvement in a holistic way. I was kind of looking at it and going around and interviewing people and trying to get to the depths of what their problems were. Now, at that point in time, I didn't know about Lean, which is one of the sets of continuous improvement tools that I use. And in 2003, 2004, I was involved in a company where we were all rolling out Lean processes. And basically, Lean is a set of process tools that actually will help. Initially, they were used in manufacturing, but now we use them across the service sector, across NHS. They can be used anywhere. So that is when I actually got my teeth into Lean. Since then, I've also I'm a Lean Six Sigma green belt. So there's two sets of tools. So you've got Lean tools, which actually derived back from the Japanese Toyota company, and then you've got Six Sigma, which is more about statistical controls. It's more about kind of talking about measurements and making sure these two sets of processes come together. And actually, I used mostly Lean tools in my toolkit, but also some of the kind of more data capture and data measurement, so that you can actually prove that things have changed and moved on. So it was kind of around 2004 that I learned all of those tools, and in the last kind of 10 years that I've learned Six Sigma. And using the two toolkits together work really, really well.